Hello, my name is Zondi and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back eFam. And if you'd like to join the eFam, all you have to do is subscribe and hit that notification bell to get my latest uploads. So if you remember very well, last week I said that I want to start venturing into fashion content and your girl is coming through to deliver. Okay, so today we are going to be doing an unboxing. I bought a pair of heels from Superbalist. We're going to be unboxing those heels and I'll also be showing you how I plan on styling them. Alright, so before we go on to the unboxing part, I would just like to mention a few things, like what I was looking for and what to expect if you also want to buy these pair of heels. Okay, so what I was looking for a nice pair of black heels, specifically court heels, and I got them. And when I saw them, I was like, actually, when I saw them online, I was like, actually, I really like these, because at first I wanted plain black ones, but now I think I really like these because these are not too serious, and also I'm young and I wanted something a bit playful as well. They were 550 rands and I think they were really good because of the quality as well. And I have to mention that I have already opened the box. I know in an unboxing video you're supposed to get my first reaction, and curiosity killed me, okay? And I gave in. Curiosity killed me and I gave in. The shoes came in this really big Superbalist box. I have no idea why they packaged it in such a huge box, because there's literally only one box inside, because I only bought one pair of heels. And this is the packaging from Miss Black. It's kind of cute. Here it is, Miss Black footwear, and let us open the box. So the first thing we see is this card telling you how to clean your shoes, storing your shoes, wearing your shoes, and other tips. Do not tumble dry, do not machine wash, and do not use any harsh chemicals or detergents. I think you already know that. And these are the heels. They come in this material. I think this material is meant to protect the heel, I'm not sure. And this is how they look. Well, they have this thing here and this pointy, well, I don't know what this is. I think it's like some material, but this is how the heels look. And look at the red bottom right there. You know what? Miss Black really came through for us girls who cannot afford red bottoms. We got red bottoms here. So these are the heels. They're nice court heels with a nice red bottom. They look stunning. I've never worn these. I tried them on though. They are a size 3, and I have to say I do wish I bought a size 4 because they are a bit tight here in front, which makes it slightly uncomfortable. And I'm not sure about the length of the heel, how many centimeters this is, but I think it's about a 10 centimeter or something. So I'm not sure about how many centimeters this is, but it is really good material, I have to say. 550 bucks. Worth it. I'll now be showing you how I plan on wearing these heels, what I feel like they would go well with. much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it and you really like these looks. Let me know which one was your favorite, okay? And please make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. That's all. Actually, before I close, I'd like to say that if you have any more ideas of the things that I should do, since I am venturing into fashion content, I'd like for you to tell me. Just send me a DM on Instagram, and or comments in the comment section. Just let me know what I should do, what I should do more of, and just I'd really like to know your input. Thank you.